Apple just pushed a massive update to their hardware supply chain. We're looking at a major manufacturing buff for the Mac Mini, which is officially moving its production line to a new facility in Houston, Texas later this year. This isn't just a minor tweak, they are doubling the footprint of their Houston campus to handle the load. For the first time, this popular unit is being shipped to production right in the US. Let's talk specs. The Mac Mini is getting a serious performance overhead for your local environments, with next-level AI capabilities packed into its ultra-compact design. It's becoming a high-density tool for everyone from students to creators. But the real scaling up is happening in the data center. Houston is accelerating its advanced AI server manufacturing. They've actually been shipping these units ahead of schedule since 2025, including on-site logic board production. These servers are the backbone of Apple data centers across the US, meaning your cloud-based workloads are running on hardware built with a tighter local supply chain. Apple is deep into a $600 billion investment expansion pack for US infrastructure. Check these milestones. They've already sourced over 20 billion US-made chips from partners like TSMC, Broadcom, and Texas Instruments. The map is getting crowded with new nodes. Global Wafers just started production on a 4 billion silicon wafer facility in Sherman, Texas. Over in Arizona, Amkor is breaking ground on a $7 billion packaging and test facility where Apple will be the first and largest customer. If you're worried about chip availability, don't be. Apple is on track to pull over 100 million advanced chips from TSMC's Arizona facility in 2026 alone, a massive increase from last year's output. The training gym. Finally, if you want to respec your own skills, Apple is launching the Advanced Manufacturing Center in Houston later this year. Think of this as the ultimate skill tree for devs and manufacturers. A 20,000 square foot dedicated gym providing hands-on training in advanced techniques. They're literally opening the docks on their own innovative processes so students and US businesses can take their builds to the next level. Between this and the Manufacturing Academy in Detroit, which already supports over 130 manufacturers, the Dev to Maker pipeline is officially online. Houston goes live later this year. Get your builds ready.